Hi guys, this is a small unboxing video of my new JBL 750 BT wireless headphones. I researched quite a lot. I looked at reviews from TechRadar, Tech Advisor, Tom's Guide, and websites like that. I looked at headphones like Bose, Sony, Beats by Dre, but then these were the ones that worked out best for me due to their value for money and good sound quality. So let's unbox these headphones. I'm not really a professional cameraman, so it's my first unboxing video, but this is what the box looks like. Here, JBL Harman. Very lightweight. Alright, so let's unbox this thing then. Oops, something fell out. Anyways, this is what we get. We've got this quick start guide, and these are the headphones. And a little two cables that fell down that come with them. So basically we've got the headphones, the start guide, and these two cables. That's all. Let's take them out. So you just this thing just comes off, and then you've got these beautiful headphones. This is what they look like. Nice and clean. Oh god, my camera stand is really fidgety. Anyways, this is what they look like, and it's got a nice headband there. It's probably height adjustable, so you could probably adjust the height from here. Goes up till here. It's the same on the other side. You can adjust the height like that. So quite nice, and there's a nice memory foam there. So overall, good pick, but we'll see what they sound like. Right, thank you for watching.